Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Time for another cryptocurrency video. There's what else? What is there in the news? There's nothing else in the news but Bitcoin. It's been amazing. It's been an amazing week for Bitcoin. I'm looking at the chart. Bitcoin is currently trading. I'm on CoinDesk. Um, Bitcoin is currently trading at $14,842.18. But over the last month, there's been a steady rise. This is the month chart, and about a month ago, it was at 7,500. It dipped just a little bit to 6,000, and it steadily came back up, came up 8,000, 8,000, hit 9,000. Touched 10,000, came back down, came back up to 10,000, shot through 10,000, broke through there, came up to 11,000, kept going, up, spiked here, came up, shot up past 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 14,000, 15,000, 16, 17. This is amazing movement. We've never seen an asset move like this. There was so much activity. I woke up several days ago, and it was about 14,000 at that time. I had gone to work, and while I was at work, it had shot up to about 16,000. And by the time I got back home, I fell asleep, woke up, it was at 16,000, almost on its way to 17,000. Let's go to Forbes magazine. On this article, according to this article on Forbes magazine, so many people were trying to get in on the Bitcoin frenzy that Coinbase, the most popular exchange in the United States, had crashed under the buying pressure. So many people were trying to get in on Bitcoin that the exchange crashed. Several weekends ago, 100,000 new accounts were opened. I think it was last weekend or the weekend before. See what the article says. Bitcoin seems unstoppable. Perhaps tulip bulbs did too in the 1600s. I don't know why people keep comparing Bitcoin to a tulip bulb. It's not a tulip bulb. It is a currency. The price of Bitcoin crashed through $19,000 today, just days after hitting 10,000, 12,000, and other psychological barriers, and then retreated to 18,000. Many cryptocurrency experts are predicting Bitcoin will hit 50,000 or even 100,000 as institutional investors continue to pile in. The pricing chart looks like a classic bubble before the crash. The question is, how long can this proceed? One of the drivers, according to James Ross of Hedge Chatter, is lack of trust in government-issued fiat currency. Fiat currency is not limited in supply, as we've seen in recent years of quantitative easing, red printing money out of thin air, and that devalues the monetary supply. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is cryptographically limited to 21 million bitcoins. Many people use the term 21 million, but actually, I think millions of Bitcoin have already been lost. Remember that guy who lost possibly a couple of million in the landfill, which increases scarcity, which would drive the price up even more because there's less Bitcoin on the market. Let's continue. The article continues. The buying frenzy was so strong, Ross said, that it crashed Coinbase, a popular exchange for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Coinbase has since recovered. Recent venture capitalist Tim Draper told me that cryptocurrencies are the future. In 5 years, if you try to use fiat currency, they will laugh at you, Draper said. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will be so relevant, there will be no reason to have the fiat currencies. As for prediction on Bitcoin's value by the end of 2008, 40,000 by the end of 2018, Ross says. Note, I own no Bitcoin. Too bad for him. There was so much going on, there was so much activity, I decided I wanted to hold some Bitcoin. But I couldn't get into any exchanges. I tried to go to Coin Mama. I tried to buy some more Bitcoin. I couldn't. My credit card would not allow the transaction for whatever reason. I don't know why. My balance was only like $25. It still should have gone through though. Anyway, so what I did was I went to my Exodus wallet and I traded in. I went to Shapeshift and I exchanged all of my Ethereum and all of my Bitcoin Cash for some Bitcoin just so I could hold some, because I didn't have any in my wallet. All of it had been invested into other programs. As you can see, I've been diversifying my assets. Bought a little bit of Augur. Has a little bit of Augur. Sold Bitcoin Cash. Here's a little Dash. I usually get rid of that. Here's some EOS. I don't quite understand EOS. I don't know exactly what they are, but I have some. I've got 11 EOS. Litecoin has been on a bull run lately. Fortunately, a couple weeks ago, I bought a couple of Litecoin. So 2 Litecoin is $316. Amazing. Bought quite a few Salt tokens. I got 16 Salt tokens. So I'm quite well diversified. Good thing too. All right, let's see. Let's go to Bitconnect. See what's going on in Bitconnect. Let's log in. All right, so it's been another 1% day. Thank goodness. Wow, look at this. The massive price swings that we've seen in the price of Bitcoin has resulted in quite a few 1% plus days. 2 days ago, we had a 1.39 day. Yesterday, we had a 1.38 day. Today, we're finishing off a 1.23% day, and tomorrow will be a 1.50% day. It's an amazing time to be alive in the realm of cryptocurrencies. Your kids will be asking you, what were you doing at the time? All right, well, since we're here, we might as well reinvest this. Let's see. They've been changing the platform a little bit. They've been rearranging things. So here we have the dashboard, but if you notice, the wallet is not here anymore. We just have land and reinvest, and then they've been hiding these. Let's see, active investment. I have $4,590 on this one, and I'm creeping up on $2,000 on this account. This is the first account. So let's make a reinvestment real quick. Let's see. Let's transfer. Let's make a transfer. $84 here. All right. How much is this? Let's go to the Bitconnect. converter real quick. Let's see how much we have here. Should be at least $90. No, not quite. Oh well, it's close enough. $87. Okay. Well, let's reinvest that. As long as we're here. So let's reinvest $80. Oh no, we can't because it's in the wallet now. Okay, can't do anything with that. Once it leaves the lending wallet, you can't reinvest it. That was dumb. Anyway, no big deal. We have two more 1% days to take advantage of, so I will be reinvesting. No big deal. I'll wait for it to get to 180. Okay, let's check out the second account. Yeah, see, this one's doing very well. You know what? I could just transfer this over to the other one. This one's got $190 in the lending wallet. Okay, let's do that. Let's transfer this amount. Let's transfer this amount over to the other wallet. I can do that. However much this is, it'll push it over 100. I think it's $35, I think. So let's just send this over to the other account real quick. Because that one's got plenty in it. Wallet. Go to wallet. Now just copy the lending address. Go back over to the other account. That could be a storefront. I don't know. Okay, go to wallet. And we want to send Bitconnect. Stick in the address from the other wallet. Transfer all. Put in the code. Successful. Let's go back over to the first account. Because usually these transactions are instantaneous. They're instantaneous even though it might not register immediately. Usually my phone would tell me, or I'd get the thing here on the bottom that it had been transferred, but it doesn't matter. Sometimes, most of the time, it will transfer even without indicating that it had actually transferred. It doesn't have to indicate it. It's just boom, it's there automatically. See, let's see how much we have now in the Bitconnect wallet. Go to the Bitconnect converter. Yeah, see, now I got $120 in there. Fantastic. So Bitconnect is quite fast. So let's make a reinvestment in this account of $120. Let's make a loan. Let's make a loan of $120. Success, $120 lent to the trading bot. So $4,630. Fantastic. Okay, let's go over to the other account. Let's reinvest that amount also. See, so this is how I use the other account to build the other one up. Man, this is annoying. Okay, so it's still $190 in. All right, so let's reinvest this in order to take advantage of our next 1% day. So this one has $8,000 active investment. And this one is almost coming up. This one has surpassed $4,000. I made $4,000 on this account. That's good. So let's bump this up. This will be $190. Yeah, let's just put the whole thing in there. Yeah, I can transfer that. Yeah, okay, no problem. Won't be a problem. Let's put all of it in there. Transfer. Confirm. Okay, so how much is this? How much are we reinvesting in? Let's go to the Bitconnect converter. Okay, $190. Great. Stick in $190. All right, so we can make a loan of $190. It's still a multiple of 10. So let's make a loan of $190 to the Bitconnect bot. Sure, Bitconnect wallet has this. I think. That's strange. No, can't be right. Let me try again. Sometimes it does that and it's not down for maintenance. To get logged out on me or something. Ugh. Must have logged out on me or something. Can you lend? Huh. some reason it won't do 190. Don't know why. Okay, 180. So be it. Okay, so 8,180. So be it. Okay, so let's check out my other programs real quick. Okay, on hashing 24. On hashing 24, I'm in profit because of the rising value of Bitcoin. I'm in profit on hashing 24 from my investments. If you recall, I put in an initial amount of about 3,000. Let's see, let's go to calculator here. Calculator. All right, so I bought, was that 10,000 gigahashes? Yeah, $3,400 was my initial investment. With the rising cost of Bitcoin, I'm making $23.79 a day. Very good. So now, it wants to do this. Wasn't doing this before. Oh, no vehicles. Okay, so now my total earnings on hashing 24 are yeah, 3,960. So I'm in profit. So I'm just withdrawing. Hashing 24 is one of those mining platforms that is sold out. You can't buy any more contracts here for right now. But it's all right because the Bitcoin that I'm mining is more profitable, so it doesn't matter. The value of the Bitcoin that I'm mining has gone up in value. So you really don't need to buy any more contracts. Besides, if you buy contracts with them, I believe they're 3 years. I think 2 or 3 years. It's more than Hashflare. Speaking of which, let's look at my Hashflare account real quick. I've been taking advantage of the discounts here. I have 12.25 theta hashes, making $28.16 a day. And how much do we have here? Okay, I got $142 sitting there. I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for it to get to about what is it, 170 something. They've been having some problems with withdrawals here, as this message indicates. So they've changed the withdrawal limit. They made it higher in order to help clear out the blockchain. So they've gone from like $16 to make a withdrawal to I think it's 170 something. $165.45. All right. So I have to wait another day to make a withdrawal. I'm going to take that and stick that in my Exodus wallet. Anyway, so that's caught me up for, the other thing that's making me a lot of money is US High Tech, but I can't show you the back platform and I don't feel like blurring everything. But anyway, US High Tech has also been very profitable for me as well. I think I'm making, I'm up to 140 packages and I think I'm making over $1,000 a week there. So US High Tech has been the engine for my other investments. I used the money from US High Tech to build up my Hashing 24 account. That's where all those contracts came from. So I've just been concentrating on Bitconnect for the most part. But lately I've been just reinvesting back into US High Tech. Anyway, so I'm going to end the video here. If you like what you see, join Bitconnect under me. Like, share, subscribe to the video, or don't. Anyway, so until next time, YouTube. Peace.